Okay, so I will paste some questions now. Basically, you need to explain the answer. If you
Okay.
want, we can try. Right. Okay.
Okay.
So, what will be the output from this?
X is false. Y is string 0. So in the first console log, it does false equal 0, string 0. So
Hi folks, කොහොමද? ඉතින් ඔයත් මේ දවස්වල ඉන්ටර්විව් එකකට හම්බලාගෙන එන කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, ෆ්‍රෙෂ් ග්‍රැජුවේට් කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, එහෙම නැත්නම් එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් තියෙන ඩෙවලොපර් කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම ගොඩක් ලොකු ඇඩ්වාන්ටේජ් එකක් වෙයි කියලා හිතනවා මේ වීඩියෝ සීරීස් එක. මීට අමතරව ඉන්ටර්විව්ස් වලදී අහන මේන් කන්සෙප්ට්ස් එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරලා මම සිංහලෙන් වෙනම වීඩියෝ සීරීස් එකක් කරගෙන යනවා. ඉතින් ඒකත් බලන්න. ඒ වගේම මොක් ඉන්ටර්විව් එකකට පාර්ටිසිපේට් කරන්න ඕන නම් පල්ලෙහින් කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්න. channel එක subscribe කරලා දිගටම set වෙලා ඉන්න.
string 0, I string 0 is a like 0 is a false value. So it will do in JavaScript. It will do the type cohesion automatically. So the answer will be false equal string 0 will be the true. And no, sorry, my mistake. The false and string 0. String is not a like false value, sorry. So string, there's a string and false. So the first console log answer will be false. In the second console log, as I earlier told, false and 0. 0 is a false value. So x equal false equal 0 means false equal false. It will return the true. First output is false. Second output is true.
Okay, so maybe you can try this in any code editor, so then we can see the answer. If you want, you can try online editor like JSFiddle or something, or else you can use VS Code as well.
I will use this one.
Okay. You can copy paste if you want.
Oh, okay, okay.
So what happened there?
I think I mistaken with the like string 0. I think it also doing the type cohesion because it
Yes.
is a two equal signs. So yeah, it need to be true as well.
Yeah. Okay, so you can check the next section. I pasted that. So what will be the output?
Let x equal 1, 2, 3. Console log. I think it's doing the destructuring. So the output will be just x 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
Okay, so you mentioned about destructuring. So what it does?
Yes. In the destructuring, actually, if we want to um, in the second line is doing the destructuring.
Yeah.
So like inside the array. So it's doing it doing, as I remember it's doing like array. This is an array, no? So it will return like only the element like 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you can write your answer as a comment. So first you can copy this to your VS Code, then write your answer as a comment, then we can
Okay.
check the answer. So there you got some errors, right? Because you have previously declared the X using
Yeah.
left keyword. So I asked you
Yes.
that question. Can we redeclare the variables using let and
Yeah.
const? So yeah,
We
it's
cannot do that. We cannot declare it.
okay. So you can comment your write your answer as a comment. Then we can try it.
This might be the answer.
Okay, you can run it and see the output.
Oh, it's only the one.
Yeah, you're right. The concept is destructuring, but
Yeah.
destructuring we are getting only the first element.
First
Like
element.
if
Yeah.
you write like XYZ or something here, you could get the everything.
Oh, okay. I remember it now. Yes.
Okay, I will give you another question. So, what will be the answer?
Let X equal 5. In the first console log, um, it's inside the block. It declare the X equal 10. So in the first console log, the answer will be the 10. But other console log is the outside the block. So the second console log answer will be the 5.
So, the answer is correct. Can you explain the concept behind this?
Uh, Concept like
So,
this, this X is declare in the uh, global
global
what?
what? Global what?
Global. Actually, I can't remember the name.
It's the scope. It's the scope.
Yeah, global scope. Yes, this is this is that's why this console log take the global scope declaration file, and but this scope is this console log is inside the this block. That's why this X is getting this 10 because this is a separate scope.
Yeah. It's all about scope. So we have the global scope, block scope, function scope, and
Yes.
also yeah, the answer is basically correct. I will is the other question. So what will be the output?
Output will be the hello.
Why?
Because this is a function declaration, so we can call the function before the defining the function declaration. In here, first in here it call the function. After that, it define that. In the function declaration, we can call the function before defining it.
Okay. The answer is basically correct. So there also what is the concept behind this?
Mm,
So if you
I
use an arrow function here, so will
Yes,
it work like this?
we cannot do that in the arrow function because arrow function is also like the function expression. In the function expression, we cannot call a function before defining it.
Yeah, yeah, true. The concept is hoisting. Maybe you can
Okay,
learn more about that. Yeah,
okay,
the answer is correct. We can call
okay,
the function before declaration for regular functions.
okay.
Yeah, I'll give you another. So what will be the output?
In the first console log, the output will be the string 11 because uh, like there's a operator there's a plus operator between the like number and a string, so the number will convert to a string, so the output will be the string 11. It will concat that 1 and 1. In the second console log, there's operator minus operator. The minus operator in the number and a string one. So that string one is automatically convert to the number. So answer will be the number 0.
Okay, all right. You're correct. So let me put another question. So you can think about this. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay. So
Okay.
good job. So
Yeah.
what will be the output?
The answer will be start, end, promise, and after that timeout.
Can you explain why that?
So these are synchronous lines. So in the first line, it will take to the like call stack and it will execute and give the result as start. These both are synchronous operation. So this one is will go to the web API as it's a as it's an asynchronous function. But as this those two are asynchronous function, but this is a synchronous function. So after executing this one inside the core stack, this one will be execute. That's why this is the second output. So first this after running the this um, like operation, it will, as this is a callback function, it will move to the callback queue, and then this will run in the web API, and then this will after finishing this one, this will move to the like micro task queue. So and for the synchronous operation, there is a event loop. So event loop is like prioritized to from both of them. It prioritize the micro task queue. So event loop will take the this operation and move to the like call stack. So this will then as third output, this will execute. So after that, this event loop will take this time timeout function, like take it from the callback queue and move it into the call stack. So finally, that's why the output will be timeout. So answer is start, end, promise, and timeout.
Yeah, exactly. That's correct. Okay. Okay, then I will ask you to some code some solve some problems. So basically, you can go to your VS Code. So first, take your take maybe your name to a string, uh, and I need you to reverse the letters.
Oh, uh,
I think you can you have to close the browser tab. Since it's infinite loop, it will stuck your so. I will change the question a bit now. So now you need to calculate the number of vowels inside your string. So can you do that instead?
Number of vowels. Calculate number of vowels.
Yes.
Mm. Um, if and take this zero. Mm.
So you have the count and the console log inside the for loop, right? What do you need to change? You basically you don't need to. First thing is you don't need to consolidate it for the times you iterate through the for loop, and so when you iterate through again, you are setting the count to zero if you define
Oh,
it
yeah.
with the for loop.
Yes. So count and previous zero. It is
So basically, if the letter is equal to a vowel, you need to increase the count by one. That's all you need to do, right? And print the value after the for loop. It's simple.
Uh, I think that is correct.
Okay, so can you replace your name with something else? Maybe some hello or something? Okay. All right. Looks like it's worked.